What's up, folks? This is JB Forex here, and I promise you guys that back to back, I'm gonna be stacking you guys with a lot of knowledge. All right. Currently, I'm on XAUUSD 5 minutes time frame, and we took a trade. Like this was today's trade. This was yesterday, and all these trade I dropped them on the community using demand and supply. So let me see if I can find them. So if you're not on this group, this group is not a group you can come on Telegram and search. I beg, don't be a victim of scam. I don't do investment. I don't do account management. I don't give signals. In fact, if I'm dropping setup here, it's just my view on the market. It's not signal, trade. I don't give signals. I don't do video call. If you are not part of my community, please, if they scam you, you are on your own. All right. If you are not on this group is strictly for those that have the demand and supply book. If you have this book, you are not on this group, don't text me on TikTok. I can assure you that I won't respond to you. Just like click on the link on my bio. You are going to see my WhatsApp link there. You text me directly, then I promise you are going to be on this group. I know they see that setup. Let me just go to the general community and check it there. Okay, this is it. That group, too much of messages are in that group. Now this was the first trade. Let me go back. This was the first trade. You can see this is the setup. There were two supply zone, and this was it, two supply zone. I was targeting the first one. This was the setup, and this is how it played out. Full TP hit, and this was the second one. Let me see if I can find that setup. This was it, but let me show you when I dropped the setup. I think this was it. This is it, and let me go back and find that same setup. This was it. And I don't want to bore you with too much of setup. I just want to show you that this is not more like a signal, but just my view on the market. When I see a setup like this, I'll let you guys know. Now coming back, the main analysis was done on the 1 hour time frame. You know the drill now. I don't want to go back. If you are one of my fans or you are part of my family, you already know what we are about to do. So this was the 1 hour time frame. The movement was pretty bullish. We had a break of structure. Now this level here was supposed to be some kind of a market structure shift. Around this region was supposed to be a market structure shift. Now where is my, hold on, let me try to get my mouse. Now this region, this level here was supposed to be a market structure shift where the market will break and the momentum will shift from uptrend to downtrend. But I was not looking at that level because I was not looking at this region, this particular region, because we have a pretty clean 1 hour demand zone there. So this entire region was more like a liquidity zone or a liquidity level that I was looking out for. When the market tested it the first time, I noticed there was no market structure shift, and I know the fact that the market is going to come down. So pretty much straightforward. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, or let's just start from the second analysis. Now this was the, I think we took, okay, this is it, boom. Now if you notice, market push up, came down, gave me a break of structure. This was an order block. I mark it out, market tested it, boom, full TP hit. All right, so let's start from this second analysis, because that was what I showed you guys. This is the most recent two trade we took. Now initially, if you take a look at this trade, market went up, and if you are a gold trader, you need to understand the fact that market respect more of fair value gap than other blocks, which is pretty much your demand and supply region. You understand? This simple trick is applicable to XAUUSD, which is gold only. But if you are trading other currency pair, you should be looking more of other blocks. But for XAUUSD, focus more on fair value gaps than other block. Now if you notice chunky movement, this is rally base rally. I think I told you guys this region. If you are not part of my YouTube family, go and join it and you understand what we are saying. Rally base rally. Now we had a pretty much another rally base rally, then a small pullback that created this impulsive move. These are the kind of candles that I love to see in the market. Impulsive move. Now this is why I said the gold respect more fair value gap than order block. Assuming that I want to take this trade from the exact order block, this will probably be a missing trade. But when I saw this coming close to the order block, I took the trade. Full banger hit, full TP hit. I was not trying to catch the whole entire move, so I was just targeting this high. Then I left the market. So this was like a full trade that played out well, exactly how I was anticipating it. Now this was what happened. You know, we have a break of structure here, which means market was going up. Now what happened? Let me zoom out so you see what happened. What did you see? Market broke this recent low, signifying that the momentum is about to shift from up to down. But the thing now is, there are two supply zones. Which I used to get this. Now they ask me this question a lot. Which zone is going to hold? Sincerely speaking, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody get Nvidia. Even if you get Nvidia, I swear, I know they work. Assuming they work, all those who are native doctor now they for the drive Lambo. So nobody knows. When you have two zones like this, normally market might disrespect the first one and go with the second one, or it might respect the second one and leave the first one. But I was focusing more on this because there are clear moves in the first zone than the second one. So when I saw the market coming to the order block and I noticed that rejection, boom, sniper in, and I was targeting this low. I was not trying to catch this entire move. You know me now, I'm not greedy. The little one I can take, I take, then I leave the market for get them. So when the full TP was hit, boom, straight banger, and I left the market. So I also update the whole community here. You can see the whole trade. Like we said, please, if you want to be part of the community, you want to join the community, just go straight to my TikTok bio, or if you are watching this from YouTube, because I will still post this same video on my YouTube. If you are watching this from my YouTube, please you will definitely see a link. If you are on YouTube, go to the description of the video. If you're on TikTok, just click on this link. It's going to take you to this Linktree page. If you're on TikTok, it's going to take you to this Linktree page. Now from the Linktree page, you can see anything you need. Any link you did not see here, please don't click on it. Don't join any especially on Telegram. Please don't join any channel I did not tell you to join. I don't do investment. I don't do account management. I don't give signals. If I don't video call, all right, I'm too see. Don't do it. Don't send money to anybody. If you want to join the academy, the link is here. This is the official link. If you want to get the book, it's here. If you want to go with my broker, it's here. If you want to text me on WhatsApp, it's here. I don't snub, and I'll respond to you despite the fact that I get like hundreds of messages every day. I'll try my best to respond to you. If you want to join the official Telegram group, this is it. If you want to join my YouTube, this is it. But for those who want to get the book, just click on this link. It's going to take you to the official website, which is this, or you can text me on WhatsApp. I'll direct you on how to get it. Once you get it, you'll be added back to this group. And please, we are more than 1,600 members here, and I'm a kind of person that I follow rules. I'm strictly a rule-based person. Please, when you join this group, look at the pinned messages. There are things we allow in this group. There are things we don't allow. You violate the rules, I kick you out. Easy peasy. So these are the trade setup we took. 100% well calculated, well risked, and play out well. Cheers, guys. See you in my next video.